Today, you will learn how to change PNG to PDF for free online. First, open any internet browser like Chrome or Edge. Now go to Google. In the search box, type PNG to PDF. Then press Enter on your keyboard. You will see many websites, but open the I Love PDF website from the results. When the website opens, click Select Images. Now choose one or multiple PNG images from your computer, then click Open. After uploading, you will see a live preview on the left side. Next, choose the page orientation, portrait or landscape. Then select the page size, fit, A4 or US letter. You can also choose the margin size, small margin, big margin, or no margin. If you want all images inside one single PDF, turn on Merge All Images in one PDF file. You can reorder images by dragging them with your mouse or sort them using the A to Z button. You can also add more images using the red plus icon. Once everything looks good, click Convert to PDF. Wait a few seconds. Now click Download to save your new PDF file. That's it. You have successfully learned how to convert PNG to PDF for free online. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy PDF and computer tutorials.